Yet another Beryllium vehicle transporting cash came under heavy gunfire. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Security personnel are now at the scene of another attack on an armored vehicle team in Old Harbour View, St. Andrew. Reports reaching Links 007 TV News are that the attack on the Beryllium team occurred a short while ago in the vicinity of a service station in the busy area. It is not immediately clear up to the publication of this report if anyone was injured or if anything was taken from the security service vehicle. But we were reliably informed that the attackers abandoned the motor vehicle they were traveling in and boarded another vehicle. This is a developing story and we'll have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.
Look at that, okay, I black more dad. No police! Nobody no did that. No police? Fear shot this way now. I'm gone.
Harbour View, one more attempt from Beryllium. See it? Whole heap of gunshot. Gunshot galore. This is going out an idea. Live and living fella.